Hey guys, today we are going to do a ice fishing experiment. For this we need ice, a string and some salt. Now we'll put the string on the ice. Now we are going to sprinkle the salt on this string. Now we will need to wait for some time and then we'll see our game. So okay, let's check after 5 minutes. Wow, I got them all! It's amazing! You should also try it! So let me explain how it works. Salt melts the ice, the string goes inside the ice freezes again, and the string gets stuck inside the ice. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye till then, see you in our next video.